Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor located in Citrus County, Florida. Today I'm presenting one of my brand new listings to you here on 1900 West Alhambra Drive in Citrus Springs, Florida. This is a beautiful, well-maintained, upgraded home that is just about to hit the market for $315,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, pool home with so many upgrades, including a new roof, a new metal roof in 2021, a brand new HVAC this year in 2023. It's been freshly painted, has all new kitchen appliances, just an amazing home. It also has a 30 amp hookup for your RV or a generator. It's a beautiful neighborhood, really quiet. All the neighbors are super nice, and there's no neighbors on either side or in the back of this home. This home backs up to an electric easement, so you'll never have any backyard neighbors. It's just a really great home. So if you have any questions or would like to see this home in person, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. Join me on a tour. for joining me on this tour. If you would like to see this home in person, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more home tours here in Citrus County, Florida. Have a good one.